Out cleaning up, right? I spent one of my days off just cleaning the house, just getting all of winter out the door. And I threw all the doors open, or all the doors, all the windows open in the house to really get that fresh air through there. Oh, just was so good. It just enlivened the rest of the house. This is a great tool to use. It's microfiber, but Temp-tations has made it beautiful. So now if we want to use it as our kitchen towel, you can hang it up on the oven handle. You can hang these up on the refrigerator door, but they are a must-have. It's 15 inches by 25 inches, and we have different patterns for you. So we're going to show them all to you now. This is the seasonal patriotic, red, white, and blue. You get all 5. Here is the seasonal garden. Oh, they're so cute. There are only 200 remaining in the garden. You've got reds and greens and blues and ladybugs and so much cuteness happening there. I'm going to move that set here. We also have the classic in the confetti. So here you're getting the old world and the floral lace, and you're getting the traditional Temp-tations colors. There's 400 there. You get all 5. And then we have the classic in the blue. And there are 225 remaining in the blue. Featured price is $25.45. Lisa Lasorte is coming back to chat with us about this beautiful set of 5. And I love this price, but it's gone at the end of the day, Lisa. Oh my gosh, why do I want all of them?
Why? Because here's the deal.
Yeah.
How often are you reaching for this? And how often do you rebuy this at the grocery store and you pull out too much and this is involved with the tree and you wash your hands and you dry them with a paper towel, throw it away. Yeah. Imagine now being able to, with this oversized towel, 15 by 25, Mary. So we're talking like seriously, like this is a big towel.
Yeah, it is.
But it's microfiber. So it's soft, it's plush, it's chemical-free cleaning, and the absorption is second to none. A few things before, when you get them home, you're going to throw them in the washing machine before you use them, okay? You can tumble dry on low. Don't use fabric softener, okay? Because that's the microfiber secret. Don't do that. But time and time again, these get better with every washing, right? Like Mary, they're for every room of your home, not just the kitchen. I use them in the powder room. I use them in the guest bathroom upstairs, every single room. And then when you want to go clean, it's perfect because I don't have to use anything but a towel, and I get my crystal sparkling and perfect.
Well, and I mean, I love that you brought that up. I use microfiber anywhere. I have microfiber in my car to clean off sunglasses and the windshield.
Absolutely.
I have microfiber upstairs to wipe down jewelry in case I get any self-tanner or hand lotion on there. I mean, in the guest bathroom is a great idea. I would even use these as a drying mat for if I had to hand wash some glasses or something.
Yeah, because we call it the thirsty towel, right? Because it soaks up so much. Hey, can I show you something right over here?
Yes, please.
I'm going to show you in our patriotic towel. And this is why we love it, like in any room of the home. Because look, here's the patriotic with the red, white, and blue and the fireworks. Like, just pick your favorite pattern and color. And this is how you have some personality. But this bowl right here, I know you can't really see it, but you see how it's filled with water? 2 cups of water right there. Watch this. I'm going to just layer this in. And this towel, I'm telling you, can actually hold more. But do you see how it just soaks it up? Yeah. I mean, it's just actually unbelievable. It just literally goes right into the towel right there. And look at that. Literally, there's nothing left in the bowl. It's completely empty. But then watch this. This is where it all is. It's right in that towel. There's 2 cups. You can hear it and you can see it going right back into the bowl.
She's a magician.
It's amazing. Yes, I am.
100 sets have already been picked up in the show.
Oh, yeah.
If you want the patriotic, there are 400 sets remaining. If you want the garden,
oh, so cute.
there are 165 sets. Remember, that's the one with the dragonflies and the ladybugs. And then if you want the classic confetti, 370 remain. And if you want the classic in the blue, there are 200 remaining. You're getting 5. So it's $25.45. It's the first day presented at that lower price. That makes them $5.09 per towel. Wow. And think about it, Chip. I would use these down the center of the table on the picnic table because any mess that you make here, you're going to be able to put them right into the washing machine.
Oh my god, and come on, like, look how cute this is.
Adorable.
I mean, this is a great baby gift. It's a great housewarming gift. I love your
Ooh.
idea. Keep it in the car, keep it in the RV. I use it all the time for my electronics because
Yeah.
it's not going to scratch anything. So, you know, when you talk on your phone and you get makeup and gook on your
Oh,
phone
yeah.
and you just want to, like, it's gross, right? You just want to wipe it off. I'm just saying, Mary, I use these to wash my face every night and it takes off makeup like no
Oh,
other beauty thing I've ever used.
what a
It's
great
amazing.
call. You
And
know
then
what?
just wash it and dry it and reuse it. And here's what you're not doing: buying the 18 pack of these every month, right?
Yeah, I mean that really is a positive. I think so many of us, no matter what age, no matter what stage, we're kind of all looking at how much waste each household
Yes.
creates and really reevaluating how we do things on a daily basis. And you know, those small steps do make a big difference. And the fact
Yeah.
that if we can reduce the amount of paper towels that we're using, that's a positive. And then if it's cute, then then everybody wins. I mean, I want to put these on the oven handle. I want to put these on the door handle. I want to put these in the guest. They're so cute, Lisa.
Yeah, and with that oversize, what it allows you to do truly is to fold it. So you can fold it into thirds. You can put it over your door, your oven door handle.
Oh, wait a
But
minute.
look, you can put what?
I just
What?
remembered and realized I'm going to stand behind the couch because I moved it.
Okay.
When my dad sometimes is doing dishes, he'll take the dish towel and tuck it into the top of his pants and
Oh,
use it so that when you know,
sure.
when you lean against the sink, how you get your shirt all wet and then it gets kind of weird and like ick factor. This, if you
Yes.
tuck it into the front of your pants, then it keeps your pants from getting a little soggy in the front while you're doing the dishes.
That's actually brilliant.
This is a pretty,
Seriously.
I should stand like this all the time.
We got to take that picture and send it to your dad. And you know what my husband does is when he's at the grill, he always has something over his shoulder like this, so that
Yes.
with the barbecue sauce and stuff like that. This is that towel though that gets better the more you wash it and dry it. Believe it or not, it gets
I believe
fluffier
that.
and softer with. What else gets fluffier and softer with age? I mean, I might get fluffier and softer.
Depends. I was going to say, depends on your definition of fluffy.
It's true.
You know what? We do have the patriotic choice in my paws. That's the red, white, and blue. 350 remain. Here is the garden choice. 125 remain. Here is the classic in the blue. Fewer than 200 remaining. And then we have the
Ooh.
classic in the confetti. 325 left. This price goes up at the end of the day. Each
Oh.
towel, because you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each towel is $5.09. And I love the fact, maybe you think, well, I have a tiny place. I would only ever put out 2 at one time. You have 3 clean in the reserves ready to go.
I, I mean, I need like 3 sets because I don't know what happens, honestly, because they
Oh,
replaced my paper
same.
towels. I just use it for all my countertop cleaning, cleaning off the refrigerator,
Yeah.
everything, the toaster oven. You're going to find so many uses, but don't forget, they're so pretty. Guest room, powder room,
Yeah.
they're perfect for that too.
I mean, they're 15 inches by 25 inches. I mean,
Yeah.
that's a big size. It is, you know, Jonathan, you're right. It is a generous towel.
It is.
Look,
Generous.
humming on the garden choice, ladybugs, hummingbirds, dragonfly. That
how
has been the
cute
most
that
popular
is.
today. Fewer than 100 sets remain. Wait, Lisa, are we going to a lobster bake? What's going on?
Yeah, we're going to a lobster egg. And
so
by the
ready.
time, every time my husband goes to an Italian restaurant, he wears a white shirt. I don't know why he does it. I'm bringing this next time because this is what we need to be doing.
I'm telling you right now, I
It's-
think he's a genius.
It's an oversized bib.
The patriotic choice. Fewer than 350 remain. We also have the classic confetti.
Love that.
300 remain. And then the classic in the blue. 150 remaining. This price goes up at the end of the day. And that's 5 bibs that you can wash and reuse for $25.45.
I love
Lisa, you're a trooper. Thank you for being here throughout the show.
Oh my gosh. And happy Easter, happy Passover,
Easter.
happy everything, Mary.
Yeah.
Love you, my friend.
Love you back.